Welcome to Trial and Error, where I experiment in my kitchen so you don't have to, and we'll see if it is a flop or a bop. My name is Taylor. Let's get started. I know I'm not the only person whose brain tricks them into thinking that they could make those like super elaborate cakes when we see those cake videos. So today we are going to actually try to do it. I have a store-bought cake and some store-bought ingredients, and we're going to see if I can make it into something presentable. I'm literally just winging this as I go, so bear with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to like, oh, I'm scared going at it. Okay. Oh, okay. So far so good. This isn't that bad. Oh, there's some cake coming off on that for sure. And it looks like I actually might still have like a little crumb coat left over because I bought 4 tubs of icing to try to do this. I'm a little hungry. That's pretty good. Almost as good as a Sam's. That'd be a little bit better than the Sam's Club cake. Ooh, I apologize about my posture. Sometimes it gets rough, but I'm working on it. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Almost there. All right, I think we're looking good. I think we're looking good. Come on, give me some credit. All right, time to make some magic, right? There we go. Okay, we got a cloud white. I think Duncan Hines has the best like frosting. Yeah. There's still little sprinkles in there. Yeah. Okay. This is going well. If this cake falls apart, I will cry. I will have a very well-needed mental breakdown. Look at me go. Come on, girl. See if I have some room in my freezer though. Let's talk color scheme. Okay, I'm really excited about this. So I have some fluffy white frosting. I have some pearly pearls. I have some white Ghirardelli chocolate. I bought some chocolate milk. I have some food coloring, my piping bags, piping tips, and then I have some beautiful flowers that we're gonna try to stick in there, and some macarons. I got like kind of like a beige and a pink. I think that the pink was a mistake because it doesn't match the flowers, but we're going to just see what I can put together. Okay, so if you couldn't tell, the theme is like pink and cute and classic. I want to do like an ombre. So in order to get pink, you have to add red. So I have my red food coloring. Oh, this is looking pretty doggone red. Cute pink. Oh, look at that. All right, the cake should be frozen by now. Nice and cold and rock solid. Yeah, okay. All right. This is like going a lot freaking better than I thought it was going to. Okay. All right, this is where I seem to be starting to mess up. That's okay. I just really want like clean edges. Now we're gonna go in with our pink. All right. I feel like I have more frosting on the freaking cake board than I do on the cake. All right, we're gonna test it out. Okay, so I'm thinking, this is so messy. I'm thinking like just put like another strip of white over it. Like so, like that. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. There we go. All right, now I'm just gonna use this empty white to kind of get the excess off, and I'm just gonna like keep adding white, I guess. So we have like what this looks like, and then we have like this little cute side. We're getting there. All right. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say all right and okay, don't judge me, please. So this time, I think I'm gonna like, just add like the little dots like of icing. You see that like all around the cake? When I was younger, I used to paint a lot, okay? If you can tell, I'm a very artsy person. So we're gonna try something that I would do when I paint. See if it works. So you just kind of go like up and down. I'm just going like a zigzag motion. Okay, I don't think she's like that bad, right? Yeah, I think it's cute. I really want to add more white. I want more, like, it feels very 5th graders birthday party. So we're just gonna do the blots over again. So I think she's like kind of cute, you know? I'm not sure. I feel like I'm saying that to convince myself. I'm good with this. So she's gonna go back in the freezer and we're gonna get the decorations ready, all right? I have these little melts. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. It says 30 seconds. Okay, this looks a lot better. This is what we're working with. I'm gonna get my bag ready. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Either I burnt it or it's all clunky now. That's okay, that's okay. That's okay, we're just gonna have to scratch it. Oh my gosh, this is really hot. We're gonna have to scratch it. We're just gonna have to. Okay, I think we're gonna start with the flowers. Let's start with the roses. I'm gonna just start sticking them in. Okay, I think I wanna go with 3 roses. Right. Okay, and these are fresh flowers. I bought them for this cake. Okay, we're gonna bring this one up, you know, just a little more. This is looking very 2000s Walmart. Yeah, okay. So now we're gonna move on to the baby's breath. Okay. I have an idea. We're going to try to see if I remember how to type. So much fun. I'm gonna make this decent. I am. This is gonna be cute. Okay. So we're gonna do a border first, maybe. This is what we're working with so far. Oh, How do they be doing that? Cause I see so many cakes where they have like half macarons in them, and it's like this is like falling apart on here. We have some white chocolate. I'm really just trying to salvage this cake, y'all. Like, it's okay. I do this so that you don't have to. I mean, you still can, but I think it would be like really cute if I did like a stairway kind of deal, you know? I'm gonna go with my gut on this one. I think the stairway would be cute. This is what we're working. I mean, I don't think she looks that bad. I think the thing really throwing me off is the color of these roses. So we have these beautiful little pearls. I just spilled a whole bunch of them. Sprinkle them around on top. I think this is as good as it's gonna get, you know? This looks like a funeral cake. It looks like someone died. I don't really know what else to say other than I ain't never doing that again. Well, this was definitely a flop, but that's okay. I mean, it's not like the worst cake I've ever seen, but I had higher expectations for myself. I'm gonna try again sometime because this did not come out in my head how I thought it would. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, follow, whatever you need to do to stay updated for next time. And I will see you guys on the next episode of Trial and Error.